Y'all, I don't have nothing going on. I broke out my little mini at-home washing machine. I did a video about this thing years ago. It works great, but I'm still too lazy even to use this. I have it going because I had some white clothes with some funky spots on them, like off-white. So I did some bleach spot treatments with a Q-tip and some bleach. Again, I would have had to set up my tripod to film it for y'all, but it seems like it's working out pretty well. Like some collar spots and whatnot, all those clothes that I brought over from my grandma's house, they all, I guess all of the grease and hair products from the neckline just really kind of set in. So I'm using this washing machine because when you go to the wash house, you don't have the opportunity for your clothes to soak, and I needed some soaking action with this stuff. So I'll let you know how it turns out when I take it out of the washing machine. I'm gonna head to the gym now and just, again, let this stuff just sit for a little while. I'm trying to go home. I gotta wait for this freight train to pass by. Somebody wants to play. But he doesn't play with his toys. He thinks my hands are his toys. There he goes. Off he goes. And he's back. And he's gone. This dog. My outfit came out so good. The neckline is still a little bit discolored, as you can see, but I think when it dries it won't be as noticeable. I had a stain. I can't even point to where it was because it's gone. I'm so happy because I love this outfit. It's a two-piece, so it's a skirt and a blouse. So I did the spot cleaning with the bleach around the neck and on the spot, and then I washed it, but I put just a teeny tiny, like just a splash of bleach. Okay, there's still a spot here. You can see that. So just imagine this was a big splotch right in the chest. I'm gonna pull up a picture of me wearing this outfit because I haven't worn this in years, but the spot was on it before. I got it dry cleaned and it didn't come out, but I'm so happy. I love this outfit. And again, it's not white, it's like an off-white. So I can still wear this in the winter, but it's a knit. So it's good for this Florida's version of winter. I'm so excited. Can you hear how excited I am in my voice?